Hey guys, I'm here to bring you your Walgreens ad for this week, 10/8 through 10/14. The deal of the week right now is buy one, get one 40% off with specific Halloween candy. I believe it's like the Tootsie Rolls and Dum Dums. They start at $11.99. So you might be able to make a deal there. I'll come up with some scenarios later. All right, so this week, Febreze air fresheners are going to be $3.29, and they're going to be on a promo where you get $1 in register rewards when you buy two. Go ahead and clip this digital coupon for $2.30 off of one car Febreze product. You're going to be able to pay 99 cents for one, or you can grab two of them, pay $4.28, and you'll get back $1 in register rewards. There are also the Febreze Small Spaces Air Care that are also $3.29 this week, and we also have a save $2.30 off of one coupon. So go ahead and clip this. All right, so if you grab one of these, you'll pay 99 cents. If you want to get two, it'll be $4.48 minus the dollar back in register rewards. If this is also participating, I'm not sure, but if it is in store, you could grab one of the car scents and then one of the at-home scents and pay 99 cents each and then get your dollar register reward back from that. I'm going to have to check in store if it works though. And promo with Tide Bounce Downy this week is going to be buy four and get $5 in register rewards. We have quite a few digital coupons that will attach to these items, lowering our out-of-pocket. We have this coupon for save $1.50 on one Tide Pods. Go ahead and clip that. These are $5.49 this week, minus the $1.50 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $3.99 for one bag of Tide Pods. We've also got this digital coupon, save $1.50 on any liquid Tide laundry detergent. So grabbing one at $5.49 minus the $1.50 digital coupon, you'll be paying $3.99 for one bottle of Tide. We've also got this $2 off coupon for one Downy Infusions fabric softener. Go ahead and clip this coupon. So picking one up at $5.49 minus the $2 digital coupon, we are going to end up paying $3.49 for one bottle of Downy. We've also got this $1.50 coupon off on Downy and Gain liquid fabric softener. Go ahead and clip this. And we can go ahead and throw one of these in the cart at $5.49. Minus the $1.50 digital coupon, you'll be paying $3.99 for fabric softener. We've also got this $1.50 off Bounce, Gain, and Downy dryer sheet coupon. Clip this. And you can put one Bounce dryer sheet in your cart for $5.49. Minus the $1.50 digital coupon, it's going to be $3.99. So go ahead and stay tuned because I'm going to be uploading some scenarios for laundry care items, doing this deal right here where we get the 5 register rewards when we buy 4. We've also got a sale going on the Tide Simply and the smaller Downy and Bounce items. They're going to be $3.49 each, and there's quite a few items to choose from, and we have digital coupons to add to the sale. So clipping this 50-cent off one Tide Pods coupon, you are going to get the Tide Simply Pods for just $2.99 for one pack. We've got this save 50-cent coupon off of one of the liquid laundry detergents. So if you clip that, it is going to make your laundry detergent $2.99 out of pocket for one bottle. We've also got this 50-cent coupon for the 60 count bounce dryer sheets, and those are also $3.49. So you're going to only pay $2.99 out of pocket for one of the dryer sheets. We've also got a deal on Gain Easy Squeeze dish soap. It's $1.99, and you're going to get $1 in register rewards when you buy two. Clip this 50-cent off digital coupon, and that is going to drop your out of pocket for one of the Gain for $1.49. So if you grab two of these, you're going to pay $1.49 for one, $1.99 for the other. Out of pocket, $3.48. Then you're going to get that $1 register reward back, making it like $2.48 for two. Now at P&G Everyday Rewards, there is a rebate going on. You'll get 15 when you spend 50, get 5 when you spend 20. And it's on a lot of P&G brands, and there's all these sub-brands included. So keep all of your receipts from all of these purchases, okay? Because these can all count towards your rebate. You're able to get 2 rebates per household, so keep that in mind. And you're going to add the totals of your items after any coupons. Back to the Walgreens ad. Olay and Old Spice, $7. And when you buy 2, you're going to get $4 in register rewards. Clip this digital coupon for save $3 on 2. So grabbing 2 of those, it's going to be $14 minus your $3 digital coupon. It's going to be $11, and then you are going to get 4 register rewards back. So it's kind of like paying $7 for 2 bottles of Olay. The deal of the week is on Crest, Fixodent, Scope, and Oral-B. Some are $5, and you're going to get $4 in register rewards when you buy 2. Go ahead and clip this coupon for $2 off 2 Crest toothpaste. Putting 2 toothpaste in your cart, it would be $10 minus your $2 digital coupon, leaving you to pay $8. Then you're going to get back $4 in register rewards, making it like you're paying $4 for 2. There's also a deal going on this week. Scott paper products are $5, and we can stack with coupons to get some cheap TP. Clip this coupon for $1.25 off Scott paper products. And clip this coupon for save $1 off any one package of Scott bath tissue. Putting one of these in our cart for $5, and you're going to take $2.25 off in those digital coupons. You're going to pay $2.75 for toilet paper. There's also a deal going on pain relief products. You will earn $5 in register rewards when you buy 2. Go ahead and clip this $3 off digital coupon. And then clip this $3 off digital coupon. Throwing one of the Advil tablets at $9.99 and one of the Advil liquid gels in your cart should be around $19.98 minus the $6 in digital coupons plus $5 back in register rewards. It's like paying $8.98 for 2. We've still got this promotion with the Colgate Dental Care. Get $3 in register rewards when you buy 2. Clip this coupon for save $2 off any one Colgate product. Then clip this coupon for save $3 off of any one Colgate toothpaste. All right, so buy one of these Colgate toothbrushes for $2.50 after digital coupon. Toss that in with one of these Colgate Optic White toothpaste at $3.99 minus your $3 digital coupon, paying 99 cents. You're going to end up paying $1.51 for 2 items, and you're going to get back $3 in register rewards. We just got this save $4 on 2 digital coupon today, so you can go ahead and clip this. And then you can grab 2 of the toothbrushes for $9 minus the $4 digital coupon, leaving you to pay $5 out of pocket, and then you'll get back $3 in register rewards. L'Oreal hair color is 2 for $22 this week. We just got a $7 digital coupon on 2, so go ahead and clip this. Then we also have a $2 off digital coupon with my Walgreens, so go ahead and clip this to your card. And adding 2 of these to cart, it will be $22 minus the $9 in stacking coupons, leaving you to pay $13 for 2 boxes of hair color. Clairol hair color is $7.99 this week, and you're going to earn $4 in register rewards when you buy 2. Clip this $5 off 2 boxes digital coupon. So putting 2 of these in your cart, it's going to be $15.98 minus the $5 digital coupon. You're going to pay $10.98, and then you're going to get back $4 in register rewards, making it like $6.98 for 2 boxes of hair dye. Schick is on a promo this week. When you spend $15, you're going to get $5 back in Walgreens cash. So clip this coupon for $4 off 1 Schick Hydrosilk Intuition or Quattro. So you can get 1 of these for $9.99 minus your $4 digital coupon, leaving you to pay $5.99. Disposable razors are also included in the get 5 Walgreens cash when you spend $15. So make sure you clip this $4 off 1 Schick disposable or Skintimate disposable coupon. So grabbing 1 of the disposables, it's $6.99 minus your $4 digital coupon. You're going to pay $2.99. We've also got this coupon for save $4 off of 1 Schick razor. You can grab 1 of these Schick Hydro razors at $9.79 minus your $4 digital coupon, leaving you to pay $5.79. We've also got $1 off of Edge or Skintimate. Go ahead and clip this. 1 of these would be $3.49 minus your $1 digital coupon. You'll be paying $2.49 for 1. Gillette razors are BOGO 50% off, and you're going to get $10 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2 on certain items. Go ahead and clip this $3 off coupon for 1 Gillette razor. So if you put 2 of these in your cart at $12.99 each and BOGO half off, you're going to pay $19.48 minus the $3 digital coupon. So it'll be $16.48. Then you'll get back $10 in Walgreens cash, making it $6.48 for 2 razors. We've also got this $3 off 2 Gillette or Venus shave gels or shave foam. So putting 2 of the Gillette Foamy Shave Cream in your cart, it's going to be $5.23. Minus the $3 digital, you're going to pay $2.23 for 2. We also got this $7 off 2 Gillette or Venus disposable razors coupon. So putting 2 of these in your cart, it's going to be $13.18. Minus your $7 digital, you're going to pay $6.18 for 2. We've got this $3 off Bic razors coupon, and it's for $3 off of 1. These are currently buy 1, get 1 half off, and when you buy 3, you're going to get $3 in Walgreens cash. You can buy one of these disposable Flex 3 razors for $4.99 minus your $3 digital. You're going to pay $1.99. Also a promo for Caress and St. Ives. Buy one, get one half off, and you're going to get $2 in Walgreens cash when you buy two. So throwing two of the St. Ives in your cart, they're $5.49 each. So you're going to pay $8.23 for two. Then you're going to get back your $2 in Walgreens cash, making it like $6.23 for two. Dove is still on promo to where you buy two and you're going to get $5 in register rewards. You can clip this $2 off one digital coupon. Putting two of them in your cart is going to be $14 minus your $2 digital, so $12. Then you're going to get $5 in register rewards back, so it makes two of them for $7. Right now, Safeguard and Ivory soap is BOGO half off, and you're going to get $2 in register rewards when you buy two. We have a $1.50 off of two digital coupon for the Safeguard hand soap. So grabbing two of those, it's going to be $7.48 minus your $1.50 digital. You'll pay $5.98, and then you're going to get back $2 in register rewards, making it like $3.98 for two soaps. This week, Dunkin' Donuts coffee is just $6.99 on sale. Just wanted to include this. It's my favorite coffee, so in case anyone else likes it, you can get it cheap this week at Walgreens. We've got Kellogg's cereal, $2.99 a box, and we can stack this sale with Ibotta rebates. So buying one of these, you're going to pay $2.99, and then when you get home, you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, and you're going to get $1 back. And this is what the rebate looks like, and you can do it up to 5 times in one purchase. I've also got some black beans this week on special, 5 for $1. I'm just kidding. That's Duder, and I just had to show his little beans. That's it for this video, guys. I'm going to be breaking down scenarios and talking about deals you can do, so stay tuned. Talk to y'all later.